Hey there, travel enthusiast. Are you excited about Expo 2025 in Japan? If you're planning to visit, we've got some fantastic tips to help you make the most of your trip. Firstly, don't forget to pack a light jacket or a sweater. Even if you're visiting in the summer, Japanese air conditioning can be quite chilly. Next, consider using a prepaid SIM card or a pocket Wi-Fi to stay connected during your trip. It's a great way to save on roaming charges. And finally, don't miss out on trying the local cuisine. From sushi to ramen, there's so much to explore. Osaka is a vibrant city with a rich history and culture, and it's the perfect destination for a memorable trip. Firstly, don't forget to explore the city's iconic landmarks, such as Osaka Castle, Dotonbori, and Universal Studios Japan. These attractions are a must-visit for any first-time visitor. Secondly, Osaka is known for its delicious street food, so make sure to try some of the local specialties like takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and kushi. You can find these treats in the bustling food markets and stalls throughout the city. Lastly, don't miss out on the unique experiences Osaka has to offer. From the floating gardens of Shinsakai to the neon lights of Shinsabashi, there's always something new and exciting to discover in this dynamic city. So, there you have it, my fellow travelers. I hope these tips help you make the most of your visit to Osaka for Expo 2025. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.